Choosing the best Type-C to Lightning cables can depend on various factors such as build quality, durability, charging speed, and length. Here are 5 highly recommended options. 1. Apple USB-C to Lightning cable 1 meter, 2 meters, officially certified by Apple, ensuring compatibility and reliability can be more expensive compared to third-party options. 2. Anker PowerLine to USB-C to Lightning cable, known for durability and Anker's lifetime warranty, slightly thicker than Apple's cable. 3. Belkin Boost Charge USB-C to Lightning CI certified for guaranteed compatibility with Apple devices, premium price tag. 4. Native Union Belt Cable USB-C to Lightning stylish design with reinforced construction for durability. Higher price point. 5. Amazon Basics USB-C to Lightning cable affordable option with MFI certification. Basic design compared to higher-end cables. When choosing a cable, consider your budget, the length you need 1 meter or 2 meters, and whether you prefer official Apple products or third-party alternatives known for their durability and warranty options.